Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I made chili verde and it came out great. Let's make it. This is a 1 pound chuck roast. So a lot of times you'll find it already cut up and they'll call it stew meat. So that's what I'm using, 1 pound. I have a hot skillet and it's over medium heat. I added 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Now I'm gonna add my beef. I'm gonna spread it out to a single layer, cover it, and cook it for 15 minutes. Now, after the 15 minutes, I'm going to add half of a diced onion and 1 garlic clove. And these are some spices. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of paprika, oregano, and black pepper. And I'm going to mix that together. Now I'm going to add 1 chopped Roma tomato and just a little bunch, maybe 2 tablespoons of cilantro. And this is 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, and it's just going to be a thickener for the sauce. Mix that together a little bit. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of beef broth. This is a 7-ounce can of salsa verde. They used to make them in 8 ounces, which is a cup. So basically for this recipe, if you want to use a cup of any brand of chili verde, salsa verde that you like, go ahead and use that. Now everything's mixed together. I'm going to cover it, lower the flame to a low simmer, and cook it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'm adding 1 diced potato. I'm going to mix that in, cover it, and then I'm going to continue cooking it for another 30 minutes. I added the potato 30 minutes in because I don't want it to get mushy. This is what it looks like at the end of 1 hour and 15-minute cook time. That's the total cook time. And my potatoes are firm, but they're cooked through, and my beef is really tender. One of my subscribers goes by AMV. He told me this was called a Mexican spoon. So I'm going to use my Mexican spoon to taste my chili verde. And I'm telling you, my flavors were spot on. This came out so good, and I don't do my little dance very often, but when something is super good and it is right on target with the flavor, I get excited and I really enjoy this and I do my little dance. So this is chili verde, green chili beef, and it came out super yummy. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you next time.